So this is a mini little figurine. He kind of looks like he's part lizard, part something. I don't know. But this one is lime green in color. They do come in a variety of colors. They are 1 inch long and they stand about an inch tall. They are made completely of resin, so they do feel like they are plastic. They are very, very hard. I would not recommend stepping on these guys if you happen to have any of them laying around, because this sharp point and these little sides here really hurt when you step on them. But they're super cute to use as decoration around the house, perhaps even hiding them for your children or for friends to go ahead and find. Thanks for watching, guys, and you'll have a great day.